Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everyone is having a great Monday, and I hope you all had a lovely weekend. Well, welcome to my Hairpin Lady Monday, and today we are going to be back working on this sash. We are going to finish that red, and the color today, of course, is 321 red. It is what I deem Christmas red. So we are going to try to finish this sash area. Let me pull you in. Right in there. Yeah. How we doing, everybody? And we're back at work today. Yay! It was a bit cold yesterday. It was cold this morning. It was like 9 degrees when I got up. Freezing crackers. Yeah, so hopefully it'll warm up a little bit. And yesterday we had some wind, of course. I mean, what would be a day without wind around here? Yeah. So I didn't go very far. I took the trash out that I was supposed to take out on Friday. Yeah, that didn't happen on Friday for some reason. So got it taken care of, so I don't have to worry about that for another week. But it was cold and windy. I wore my coat with my hood up. Yeah. I was glad to get back home, and I was only gone 5 minutes. Jeez. And it snowed about enough to, to just barely even cover the ground. Yeah, it was awesome. But it cold the rest of the day, so I'm glad that's all the snow that we got. So I sat and stitched. Where's my, got a little fuzzy right there. Stitched on the rabbit in the library, and of course the bouquet of flowers. And I finished watching Poldark. Yeah, again. So I don't know what series I'll be watching this week. When I come home, I kind of like to sit down to a little Netflix, so I may find something new to watch. Who knows? Yeah. And before I forget, I had a viewer send me a project that they had finished, and this actually was a kit that they won from me. I'm not sure when or what year or any other particulars other than that, but I'll put that right in here. It's so cute. It's that one of the reindeer on the chimney. He looks like he's dancing on the chimney. So cute. Great job. Congratulations on the finish. If anybody else has anything else they'd like to share or something they're working on, does not have to just be, I'm trying to pull this thing up so I'm in the frame here. Does not have to just be cross stitch. It can be whatever craft you're into. I will get it into the next stitch with me as soon as I possibly can. So yeah. And some of my stuff is getting shipped from Amazon. Don't get it too excited. It really has nothing to do with cross stitch. It's stuff that I ordered so that I can do some slow stitching. I worked a little bit on my slow stitch yesterday, and since I didn't have a series I was watching on Netflix, I just kind of skipped all over the place on YouTube. watching first this thing or that, or how to make something, how to do something, or some kind of historical thing. Just, yeah, just here, there, and everywhere. Had leftover spaghetti for dinner. I was just kind of done, and I even got a 2-hour nap. So, yay! Day worked out pretty good. It was good and quiet, and it was too cold to sit. I just didn't want to sit by the window when it's cold. Not that it is cold. I put that card table that I was using for my sewing machine like in front of the air conditioner, so that blocks any wind that would come through that. But I don't know, it's just the idea of it. And it was kind of cloudy-ish yesterday. I mean, the sun come out for about 5 minutes and then it'd be cloudy. Yeah, and then it's sun. Yeah, I was like, nope, not doing that. I'll just sit on the couch and do my other stuff. I do like to sit in that chair, though, when I'm working on, say, this or Watertown Memory, because there's a lot of room to kind of not spread it out exactly. I keep it in a, one of those grocery bags you can get at the grocery store, and they're probably 16 inches across or whatever, but they're made of that vinyl. So that's what I haul that, my, this one with, what do you call it? Watertown Memory has its own bag. This had its own bag, but I was stitching on it so much that I just kept it in this bag. And I have a whole separate zipper bag of the threads for this, and Watertown Memory has one of its own as well. So there's 2 bags that go to each one of these. So, yay. Are we gonna finish this section? I'm just really tired of looking at it. I did not pick this up in 4 days. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like it, and others not so much. I've been putting more time in. You'll see that tomorrow on my floss tube thing. More time on the basket one. I can't even remember what it's actually called. And the rabbit in the library. Those are the 2 that I mostly stitched on. I didn't even get back to this last started one, the flowers by the sea. Not that anything's putting me off, just, I don't know. I just pick up things and stitch. Maybe because the stitching's really easy on those. So you'll see the progress I made tomorrow. But yeah. Sometimes I get stuck on a single project. I know it's hard for you to believe that I would get stuck on one thing. But look how long I got stuck on this thing. And stitched for weeks, months, and hours. And others, not so much. It just, sometimes it's daunting. I try not to think about the whole project and just focus on the area where I'm stitching. So, yeah. Sometimes that works, and sometimes my focus is not as good as it should be, shall we say. So, we'll see. Maybe now that Christmas is done, my brain will calm down and won't have so much going on that I can't quite focus. I think we're about to get this, guys. Then we can go on to another section. perhaps. Like to finish, show you this green section next. It's that off-white. I have no idea what the color number is, but I kind of quit working on it, so we'll see. May jump back to the blue dress thing. We'll just wait and see. Not making any commitments here. I have no idea how busy it'll be at work. The kids are still off school. Let's call it until next Monday or Tuesday. I think they actually have Monday off for some reason, like a teacher in service thing. And then they go back to school Tuesday, I think she said. I don't know. Heck, I could be wrong. So we'll just have to kind of wait and see. And of course, this weekend, we will change themes for the month. The theme for January is winter. So get out your winter looking projects or your winter type projects, whatever you deem you want to work on. But that's the new theme for the month. And next week I'll have to get out my January cup, which is that bear. It's a big, huge cup. I got it at work. We had those, one of the, I'll call them vendors that we have, you know, for all the little knickknacks. You know, we have vendors for, you know, the drinks and vendors for the chips, that kind of thing. But we have a guy that would specially come in and he'd have all different kinds of knickknacks, and she got those cups that one year, so I bought 2 of them. I bought one for me and one for my daughter. So, yay. But it holds a lot of coffee or tea or liquid. It's huge. It probably holds a 1.5 cups of coffee. Not that I drink coffee anymore, but it'd make a lot of tea. Not so much so you'd have to use 2 tea bags, though. Just saying. Oh, come on. Are we going to make this? Now I'm getting anxious. Am I going to have enough thread? I hate getting down there and I can't make 2 of the last stitches, so I think I have enough. Oh yeah, we're gonna make it. But we're gonna finish that area. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Oh, come on. Oh yeah, I only got 3 more stitches here to make. Come on. Okay. Let me put that needle right there. Yay! So we got this side of the belt, then there's something that hangs in between all that. Let me pull you out. There you go. There's something that goes right in between it. So this is still part of her waist, and that's all tied around. So yep, we'll have to finish that part in that, I don't know, I'm calling it off-white. I have no idea. Let me see. It'll tell me. 17, it says 712. Number does not ring a bell with me, so just an off-white color. So yeah, she's looking good. But these are the two big areas that I really wanted to get taken care of. And all those green lines, that's 310 black. It's right there, yeah. It'll be fun. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me today. I sure do appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.